Okay, let's give this a shake effect. You come here, you start by going here, you right click here, then you go to your new item, adjustment layer. You need to add our adjustment layer. So once you added your adjustment layer, you drag, you drop it here, we stretch it a bit. Yeah, just stretch it out to the length of the video. Then you come to your effect here and look for directional blur. Yeah, so you drag and you drop your directional blur into here. Once you drag and drop your directional blur, you come down here to your blur length and change it to about 40. Yeah, so let's stretch this a bit. Let's expand this. So what you have to do now is to make a cut per frame in the adjustment layer. So let's choose our razor tool, then expand this a bit. Let's start cut here. Let's cut it about 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's delete in between each of the adjustment layer. Let's start from deleting here. We can delete this, delete this in between, delete everything in between, delete this, and you delete this. Yeah, so that's it. So let's play it and see what it gives us. So that's the shake effect. You can highlight everything, and probably you want it to be somewhere else in the clip. You can highlight everything, hold Alt and drag everything down to the next section of, or the next time stamp of the clip you want it to be. So yeah, so probably let's just play it here and here and here somewhere. So yeah, let's play it again. You can see the effects here, here, and here. So that's how to create it. Any question, you drop your question in the comment below and I will answer. Subscribe.